significance, ladies and gentlemen, of the location at the juncture of Europe, Asia, and Africa. To give a scale of the relevant size of proven reserve, suffice to mention that.
Thank you very much, first of all, for your invitation, for my participation in this eminent event. Congratulations for good organization and
I'm Will, yourself? Fine. Ah, yes. I do remember, yes. No, it's great to see you. What are your thoughts about the...
Good morning,
nice to meet you in Washington.
Nice to see you.
Yes.
How are things?
Fine. To participate in this event.
Yeah,
It's a nice event. We want to give a message that we have some
good.
Discussion about the tourism project and other projects and innovation.
meetings here in the World Bank.
It's a pleasure for us to receive you here and the opportunity to discuss, explain to you what is our proposed agenda and if this is fine with you. So,
Drago Marco, my advisor for communication.
Very excited to meet you and the entire delegation.
My name is Raha Shahid.
The economy, pretty much production, productivity, foreign direct investment, finance, all these good things.
Always it's
Happy
nice
to
to
have
meet
you
you.
here.
Yes, thank you very much.
It's very nice meeting you here in Washington. Last time we saw each other. How many years of partnership?
1993.
Gratitude about this support by the World Bank, and of course the World Banking was one of the...
Yes, because everything else is already structured, I can say somehow, but we have to structure this part of the time to pass through this with all institutions in our country on the same table. This program for competitiveness and innovation. It's my pleasure to meet you again.
Thank you very much. Very nice to see you.
Washington.
Thank you for coming to our offices.
I'm Odysseus. Nice to meet you.
Hi, how are you?
I hope that this program can be fixed. I have discussions here, opportunity to meet IFC and to discuss about one action of my perception and what I am looking in our society about from economical point of view and the scheme in the future in our country. And I can explain very briefly why. List of our needs in the country for infrastructure projects and for that we are solving all these issues with reforms, how this government is in power. We opened the energy law in the energy area, and we have